Hi, this video is about how to make geometric wall paint effect. Here I will show you two methods. Method 1. If you know AutoCAD, you can prepare the DXF file and import to AiHouse. This is a sample of the DXF. You use polyline to draw the region of the geometric design following the size of the wall, then import into AiHouse. Go into Customize Ceiling, click on the wall, background wall design. Click on the white region, right click, import modeling, local region, select the DXF file, open. There you go. Okay, back to 3D. You may then drag and drop materials to the surfaces and you are done. Method 2. You may also draw the shapes in AiHouse itself. Let's delete the whole design. Again, click the wall, background wall design. Click the region. Then draw polyline. Draw the shape accordingly. Make sure it is a closed polyline. Okay, right click to end. When done, click the shape. Select transform to region. Let's try another one. Last one. Alright. Just draw according to your plan shape, then put all the materials. Happy trying. Bye.